Shibaswap has gone parabolic in usage with $1.5 billion in value locked on the platform. This is by far the most money I've ever seen in a meme coin platform, and it is extremely good news for Shib holders. Why are people using Shibaswap this much, and what does it mean for Shib holders and the price of Shiba Inu in the future? Welcome back to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. If you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news, subscribe to the channel where we are constantly making new videos. Okay, so I was on the site Tools for Crypto today, which is a site I use to find new crypto tools, and I saw that Shibaswap was just added to the platform as one of the DeFi staking tools on here. Have you ever used the site before? Let me know in the comments if you have. So once I saw it listed on here, I started researching it because I had seen a lot of people talking about it in the last couple of weeks, but I had never done any research into Shibaswap myself or Shib. But when I saw this article from Cointelegraph, I started digging into it a lot because this amount they list is huge. So $1 billion in TVL, that is not a typo, $1 billion. For anyone who doesn't know, TVL is total value locked. So that means that there's $1 billion of tokens locked on the Shibaswap platform. This is massive. And for reference, even big DeFi platforms like Pancake Bunny have a couple billion locked in. So 1.5 billion in a day for a meme coin is insane. And if we switch over to the platform here, you can see it's actually gone up another $500 million to 1.46 billion. Wow. Okay, so this is extremely bullish for Shibaswap. But let's read the article first. So 24 hours after launching, Shib's new Shibaswap DeFi platform surpassed 1 billion in total value locked and is raising fees on the Ethereum network. While many analysts thought this project would just fade away with another meme coins that mooned and that crashed, Shiba Inu has instead emerged as a growing project complete with its own swap interface yield farm and budding decentralized autonomous organization structure. And it even made gas prices spike, as you can see here. That's how much volume Shib holders actually created in transactions on the Ethereum network the day Shibaswap was added. Wow. Okay, so obviously with $1 billion total value locked, and actually 1.5 now, Shibaswap isn't going anywhere. People keep using it, keep adding to the platform, and people are excited for the ecosystem to grow. And Shib itself isn't going anywhere but the moon. I'm extremely looking forward to Shib and the other ecosystem tokens like Dig and Bone. I really think they'll do great once the summer is over and people start going back into crypto in the fall and winter and crypto fully rebounds. But let's take a look at some other Shib news because this isn't the end of the great news for Shib and Shib holders. So let's look at this tweet first. Already the ecosystem tokens like Bone are getting listed on exchanges and they just came out. Here's one exchange announcement for MEXC. And if you didn't know, Bone is one of the tokens created for Shibaswap. And I can only imagine there'll be many, many more exchange listings as the summer goes on for the tokens. And not only are they getting listed on more exchanges, Shiba Inu is partnering with a ton of artists. I mean, look at this one. It's breaking into the mainstream with these big music artist partnerships. Look at this one with Gareth Emery. I'm excited to announce that we are throwing a virtual Shiba Inu party in 2 weeks featuring an amazing DJ set by Gareth Emery. Not only that, the set comes with an NFT and physical sculpture that will be stored in a location TBA so Shiba Army can see it. Wow. So I'm specifically excited for this one because Gareth Emery is one of my favorite electronic music DJs, but even if you're not a fan of EDM, how can you not be excited for news like this? I mean, the more these meme coins break into the mainstream, the better it is for the whole industry. And look, Gareth Emery even responded. Can't wait for this. Any requests from the Shiba Army, just let me know. Just incredible. Incredible marketing. And not only is Shib getting listed on these exchanges and has huge partnerships, but also has real life utility. Here's a tweet from Shopping.io, and if you don't know who they are, they're the #1 e-commerce crypto platform. They allow you to buy and sell using crypto. Shopping.io is very excited to announce that starting today, Shib holders will be able to spend their tokens on Shopping.io platform and purchase on Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. SPY/GSBI community, let's give a warm welcome to Shib Token. So you can actually now take your Shib tokens and go and spend them on a TV or shoes or anything from major e-commerce tools. How cool is that? So it's clear that Shib is breaking into the mainstream and has an incredible future for it. But I want to hear what you think. Are you guys using Shibaswap right now? I actually staked a little today. I think that the platform is really built out and is a great future, but I want to know what you all think. So drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of Shib tokens specifically. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this news and research. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel to get alerted when breaking news comes out, and I will see you all in the next episode.